If you want to set up a fingerprint on your Samsung Galaxy A56, it's quite easy to do. So first of all, let's open up our settings. Now scroll down to your lock screen in AOD. Great. Now locate your screen lock and biometrics, enter your current PIN, press continue. Now scroll down to your fingerprints and tap here. Keep in mind that you need to have your PIN, password, or maybe screen pattern to be set up already before you go into that. Now let's press continue. So what are we to do? We are to put our finger into the circle and hold it until it will fully be covered in green color. After that, lift up our finger and keep on. So let's press register and let's try and do this. Just like this. And keep on doing this. Change your finger position a little bit. Follow this green dot on your screen. And keep it up over and over. Great. So when it's added, you can add up another fingerprint for another finger or another person. So press add or simply press done, and that's it. Now, when our screen is locked, we can simply unlock it with our finger. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Please consider subscribing to our channel.